Hello, everybody.
Miss Ashley, are you with us?
Yes, I am.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. And you?
I'm okay. Yeah, things didn't work out as planned when I moved to Harrison. So,
Okay. Are you able to start your video, please?
I thought it was good.
There you are.
Can you
Good
see me
morning.
now?
Thank you. Yep. So we are on the record in case number 25-4911SM. Miss Ashley, you're appearing for arraignment purposes this morning. You're appearing with Miss Mistley, the defense attorney available through the Indigent Defense Council here to assist you. Ms. Mistley, did you have opportunity to review the allegations on the complaint, nature of the offense, and possible maximum penalties with Ms. Ashley?
I did not.
So Ms. Ashley, may I verify your contact information as far as your phone number before I put you in a breakout room? What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone number right now. I'm just doing a text now number. I just have Wi-Fi calling.
Okay. So could you give me that text now number?
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm going to place you and Ms. Mistley in a breakout room so that you can go over the issues regarding the arraignment before we continue on the record. Your screen will ask you to join that breakout room, and when you're done, you'll return to this meeting, please.
Okay.
Oh, Ms. Mistley,
Yes.
will you please check your email? Ms. Ashley is scheduled on August 4th for another arraignment, and it's on a felony drug driving. So I'm going to ask that we get her arraigned in that case as well today.
Okay. And I lost her. She was frozen. Then she disappeared.
All right. So hopefully she'll come back. Yep, I'm sorry. And Miss Ashley, I'm going to place you and Miss Mistley back in that breakout room.
Okay.
Thank you. We'll do that one too. Probation violation arraignment scheduled for 8/1. Okay.
What
Did
are
we
you
lose her again?
What are you laughing at?
Well, we found another situation that we should get her arraigned on, and that's a probation violation for which she's scheduled on August 1st.
Okay, let's go back to a breakout room quickly. Please.
Did you get my email?
Oh, no.
Yeah, I sent you an email with the recommendations and the violations.
No, it ain't on there.
Will you ask Miss Ashley also to make sure that people are not talking in the background?
I will. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you and welcome back. So
Thank you.
we'll begin in the original misdemeanor case. Ms. Mistley, did case number 25-4911SM. Did you have opportunity to review allegations on the complaint, nature of the offense, and possible maximum penalties with Ms. Ashley?
I did, and we will waive a formal reading of the misdemeanor complaint, enter a plea of not guilty, and request the assignment of counsel.
So in order to complete a petition for court-appointed attorney, I'm going to place you under oath and ask you some questions. Would you please raise your right hand? And you swear that the information you're about to give me will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you, and you're welcome to lower your hand. Ms. Ashley, what is your mailing address?
Traverse City, Michigan, 49684.
Okay, so are you back in Traverse City right now?
Yes, I am. I came back when I realized that I couldn't keep up with my probation stipulations in Harrison, Michigan.
Oh, okay, because I thought when you first signed on that you said that you were back there, but okay, good. Are you working?
No, I'm not. I get SSI, but I was wanting to get a job now that I'm back.
Okay. Do you own a vehicle?
I do, but it's not running.
What's the estimated value of the vehicle?
2,500.
And do you have any money in a checking account or savings account, any cash on hand?
No, not until I get paid.
Okay, I will appoint an attorney for you. The next step in the
Okay.
process, in this case, the pre-trial conference is going to be scheduled for August 12th. It will be at 9:30 a.m. in person here at the district court. And
Okay.
we're going to move on to case number 25-5046FD. You're appearing for arraignment purposes in this case. Again, you're appearing with Ms. Misdemeanor, the defense attorney available through the Indigent Defense Council. And Ms. Misdemeanor, did you have opportunity to review allegations in the felony complaint, nature of the offense, and possible maximum penalties?
I did, and we will waive a formal reading of that felony complaint, enter pleas of not guilty, and again, request counsel.
I will appoint an attorney to represent you. I'm going to remind you that you have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say, orally or in writing, can be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during any questioning. You could not afford an attorney, the court would appoint one at public expense. You have the right to have the attorney present during all subsequent court proceedings. You have the right to a preliminary examination. In this case, it would be scheduled for August 12th. It would be at 11 a.m. with Judge Stepka. Also, on August 4th, you'll have a probable cause conference. And I did not set a bond in the previous case, but I want to set the same bond in both of these cases. And Ms. Misdemeanor, do you have information you'd like me to know regarding bond?
Well, what I'd like you to know is, in addition to what you've already heard about her being on SSI, she is homeless. She was trying really hard to comply with all the terms and conditions of of her probation case here in Grand Traverse County. Harrison just does not have all the resources that we do have here, so she did make the effort to return to Traverse City so she can fulfill all the obligations that she has to the courts. She's very concerned about this. It sounds as though on this felony case, there certainly may be a valid defense. So we are asking the court to grant her a PR bond. I think she has shown her good faith and her understanding of her obligations to the court and that she given the standard terms and conditions along with the testing. Apparently alcohol is not an issue for her. So I don't know that any regular alcohol testing would be necessary. But she certainly understands that in addition to the drug test that she takes at the health clinic, TC Health Clinic, that this court will be ordering urine screens as well. Thank you.
So I am going to place you in the prohibited chemical use case on a $5,000 personal recognizance bond, in the felony case on a $25,000 personal recognizance bond, but all of the same terms and conditions. And so these conditions are that you may not use or possess any alcohol, any illegal substance, or any controlled substance, including marijuana, any mind or mood altering substances, including any form of inhalants, or any non-prescribed medication. You will provide a list of your current prescriptions to the district court clerk. You will submit to, when was your last urine screen?
It was last month. I had moved out to Harrison and nothing coincided with Traverse City's probation. That's why I came back.
Okay, so you'll have an immediate urine screen and 4 times per month urine screens hereafter. You will have no threatening, intimidating, harassing, or violent behavior towards any person. You'll be respectful of all court employees and care providers during the course of your case. Again, you must provide the court with all of the medications or substances that are prescribed or allowed for you. And so you have to do that immediately. And so that the court would be aware of anything, if anything shows up in your urine screen. And you may
Right,
not operate, I'm sorry?
I'm not gonna have the money to pay for the drug screens after paying for everything in Harrison until I get paid on the 3rd.
You're gonna need to borrow some money and figure that one out. I'm ordering an immediate urine screen, and I mean it. You know, your other option, Ms. Ashley, is that, you know, if you can't comply with the terms and conditions of bond, that you would be in jail.
Right, no,
The
I know, I
same
just don't know. where to get the money.
Conditions. Right, so the same conditions will apply in the next case, which is your probation violation. So let's all understand how important it is that you are testing. It begins now, it's 4 times a month, and you'll need to figure that out, okay?
Okay, I'll try. That's all I can do.
You may not operate a motor vehicle of any kind for any reason.
James.
I'm sorry.
So now we'll move on. Okay. Can you move to a different place where there's not people talking behind you?
There's no other place to go. I can try to lock myself in the bathroom, but I'm at Jubilee, I'm homeless.
Fine. So we're going to move on to case number 24-2305 SD. In this case, you're appearing for arraignment purposes on an allegation of a probation violation. You are scheduled for August 1st, but we are doing the arraignment in this case now, since you're here. And Ms. Mistley, did you have opportunity to review the allegations on the probation violation as well as the recommendations with Ms. Ashley?
I did, and she will be offering to the court a plea of not guilty and again requesting counsel.
So I will appoint an attorney for you. The court will mail you the notice regarding the date and time of your probation violation hearing. Between now and then, I'm going to place you on a $5,000 personal recognizance bond with all of the same terms and conditions that currently exist on your orders of probation. You must have an immediate urine screen and 4 times per month urine screens hereafter. You should have contact from your court-appointed attorney by the middle of next week, so please watch for either a phone call or mail. So you're checking to make sure you're getting your mail, both from the court and from your court-appointed attorney. So you have a preliminary examination scheduled for August 12th. You have a pretrial conference scheduled for that same day, correct? At 9:30 a.m. The court will mail you the notice regarding the date and time of your probation violation hearing. And Ms. Mistley, do you have any questions?
I do not, thank you.
Thank you very much for all of the added work there as well, Ms. Mistley. Thank you for your appearance this morning, Ms. Ashley. Make sure you're in touch with your probation officer and that you do get your urine screen this afternoon.
Okay,
And for right now, then, you are all set.
okay, thank you.
Good
Have a
luck.
great day.
Yes, you're welcome.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.